Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sewing for Hobbies keychain lesson today. Today I got some new charms in that I ordered from Amazon, and this is what it looks like. Look how cute that is. What did I make a beautiful keychain? All I gotta do is connect it and use a jump ring. So what you need is a charm of your choice and a 6mm jump ring. I'm using these keychain as keyware. I think these are called just keychain. You can search, or key hardware, and it'll pop up. You also need a roundness plier and a flatness plier. Let's start by opening up a jump ring. Find your opening, put it like this. Do what I do, and you'll get a nice and beautiful keychain, and you can sell it at your craft fairs. That would be pretty good, cool. Take your charm, see that hole right here where I'm pointing to? Stick your jump ring through that hole, make sure it fits. Take your keychain, see this hole right here? Stick it through the other hole. Once you have that, close it up. Do the best you can to make sure it's secure and tighten. You don't want it to fall apart on you. I enjoy making keychains. They're a lot of fun and they give me great joy. And sell them $2. You can make back all your money off of these keychains. Let's make sure it's securely closed. It's giving me a little bit of trouble, but let's see if I can fix it. Alright, there we go. You take another plier in case you have trouble. You can also use one of these flatness pliers. Stick it in. Squeeze it down like this. There you have it. Squeeze it a little more. There we go. And there's your new beautiful keychain. I'll do one more with you on camera. And let's see. Take your jump ring. I'm using a 6 or an 8mm. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Open it. Take your charm. Stick it through that hole. Take your other keychain. Close it back up as best you can. Want to keep squeezing until it squeezes through. Make sure it's closed securely. Tighten. Always tighten up your work. That way it doesn't fall out too easily. Alright. Here's my second one. I'll do one more with you guys. I gotta do this anyway, so let's do another one. What the hell? You can watch the video again and again until you feel confident that you got it. Work on your own. You can design your own. And that's about it. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you for returning subscribers. Today's lesson, we're making a keychain. There it is. I'll do the last one on you in this kind. Once more, take your jump ring. It's help me grow my channel by spreading the word. You can download my videos to keep it as your record. And to educate yourself in how to do this. This is a fun project. It's very relaxing. It only takes a second to put it together. Once you have all your right tools, you can do this within 1 minute. Look how fast that was. I did mine in 5 minutes for all 4 keychains. Not bad. I'm getting better. But I like to take my time so that way it comes out beautifully like a keychain. Angel's being quiet today. She's taking her nap. Sometimes it's hard for me to do a video because she likes to bark at the people walking by. Keep closing it and closing it. Thank you so much, guys, for following me and staying with me this far. Like I said, you can download these videos to keep as reference and to make your own keychains. Or if you want to support me on my eBay page, you can go there and buy something. And that would help me out quite a bit. And I appreciate every single one of you guys for supporting me in this channel and help me grow. And thank you so much for continuing on and staying with me this far. You guys are very much appreciated. I hope to keep the bullying down, and that way we can work together as a team to help learn and grow. And, you know, this is what I love to do, is make things. As a jewelry artist, that's what I do. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how nice. That's a good size for a keychain, don't you think? Let me know in a private message. If you like this video, give me a good thumbs up. It helps me out. And we'll see you all in the next video. I gotta do the rest of these ones for keychains too. I think silver is better than gold, so silver will be your better option to sell as a keychain. Gold, not many people like gold too much, but you can do half and half to see how it goes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, staying with me this far. Thank you if you're welcome if you are new. Welcome if you're returning. Thank you so much for subscribing and following me. It's free to do so. And let's see you all in the next video. Keep up the good work, everybody. Bye.